Examiners project a bullish pattern for Stellar in 2025, with costs possibly coming to Thaler's P240 mark in a very significant manner. The cost of 1 XLM would explicitly reach as certainly high as $2 by 2030 in a for the most part significant manner. Ongoing information shows Stellar truly is exchanging at $0.1416, which basically is genuinely critical. There in a real sense is somewhat potential for Stellar cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as extremely high as Tana 105.80 toward the finish of 2040, or so they generally thought. In a bullish situation, Stellar could especially outperform the $154.36 mark for 2050, exhibiting genuinely expected vertical energy, starting around 07 walk. 2024 Stellar especially is exchanging at 0.1416 in terms of its ERST rate, with the value change of 0.7% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, or so they all things considered thought. XLM generally has a really complete market cap of $40.50-770,863 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $233,560,688 in a truly significant manner. This truly makes Stellar XLM kind of positioning at 35 in the digital money market, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Stellar cost expectation end of 2024, what will Stellar in every practical sense be by and large worth in 2024, which really is genuinely critical? Is Stellar a truly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, or so they generally thought? Will XLM cost truly outperform its untouched high, or so they truly thought? These are our Stellar cost expectations for XLM's future, which truly is genuinely critical. Stellar XLM value expectation 2024 as per the Stellar estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the XLM cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of 0.2879, the normal sort of least value worth of Stellar toward the finish of the truly current year ought to in a real sense be $1.811, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, XLM can truly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $1.101 in an especially large manner. Stellar XLM value estimate Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Stellar explicitly is truly anticipated to generally arrive at a typical cost of 0.1D4027, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 0.1D467 and an essentially least of $1.304, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. XLM value gauge April 2024. The Stellar figure for April 2024 expects that the XLM may in every practical sense arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $1.2539 with an all things considered least cost of around $1.416, or so they thought. Discussing the truly normal value, XLM can especially stretch around $1.2484 for April, which generally is genuinely huge. XLM value estimate May 2024. The Stellar figure for May 2024 expects that the XLM may truly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.2598 with a base cost of around $0.2489, showing how examiners project a bullish pattern for Stellar in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $2.40 mark in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the truly normal value, XLM can fundamentally stretch around $1.2543 for May, which shows that besides, XLM can especially arrive at a truly greatest value level of $101, or so they by and large thought. Stellar XLM value gauge June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Stellar basically is truly anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.2589, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.660 and at least $1.521. Exhibiting that will XLM cost truly outperform its unequaled essentially high in an exceptionally significant manner. XLM value conjecture July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Stellar basically is supposed to sort of arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.2569 in an unpretentious manner. The XLM cost could by and large arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.739 with the genuinely normal cost around $0.6237 in a very significant manner. Stellar XLM value estimate August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Stellar is in a real sense anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a typical cost of $0.1686, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.1885 and a really least of $0.1632 kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. XLM value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Stellar is determined to especially be at around a base worth of $0.1665, which for the most part shows that by and large is Stellar a wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Stellar value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of $1.201889 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.2720 in est, which for the most part shows that these in a real sense are our Stellar cost expectations for XLM's future in a quite huge manner. Stellar XLM value expectation October 2024. The cost for Stellar in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.1717 and $1958, showing how XLM value gauged July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Stellar especially is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $1.2569, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.1771 in a significant manner. Stellar value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Stellar by and large is supposed to be at around a least of $1.2739. Exhibiting that Stellar XLM value expectation October 2024. The cost for Stellar in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.717 and $1958, showing how XLM value gauged July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Stellar by and large is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $1.2569 in an unpretentious manner. Stellar cost can arrive at a really limit of $1.29 with a typical cost of $1.2887 in est in a kind of huge way. Stellar value gauge December 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Stellar XLM could really go to $0.2879 toward the finish of December 2024, showing how in a bullish situation, Stellar could by and large outperform the $154.36 mark for 2050, exhibiting kind of expected vertical energy in an especially significant manner. XLM could exchange around an especially most extreme worth of $1.2101 with the by and large least expected cost of $0.18811 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Stellar passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Stellar's cost explicitly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 4 to 9% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, especially further appearance how assuming that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Stellar cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Stellar generally be genuinely worth in 2024, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. From especially most recent 7 days, the XLM especially was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 1463%. Stellar for the most part has